Everyone's showing AI UGC as a tutorial, but nobody shows how to make money with it. I spent 24 hours creating 20 AI UGC videos for Medicube and sent it to 1,000 skincare brands. This is what I built. In the next 10 minutes, I will show you how I built a $3,000 per month UGC service in 24 hours and 1,000 attempts to skincare brands. Not theory, execution. Hi, I'm Chris, the founder of Execution Squad. My role is to bring serious AI builders into our squad so they can start building a business that gets real clients and real revenue. Alright, here's what I'm testing. Skincare brands will pay me $29.98 per month for 20 AI UGC videos, delivered every 30 days. Let me show you why this works. Look at Medicube HR, Korean skincare brand. 300 million plus revenue. They sell on Amazon, their own site, everywhere. And they're learning ads consistently. Meta, TikTok, Google. And here's the thing about skincare ads. They need fresh creatives every single week. Different hooks, different angles, different faces. Most brands, they hired 5 to 10 UGC creators at $300 per video. That's $3,000 per month just for content. And it takes weeks, briefs, revisions, back and forth. So I'm not selling AI videos, I'm selling speed and volume. 20 different angles, same consistent face, different hooks, different CTAs. They can test 20 as variations in 3 days instead of wasting 3 weeks. I charge $29.98. That's $150 per video. And I built everything in 24 hours. Now, this might be completely stupid. Maybe brands don't trust AI UGC yet, but I will know after sending to 1,000 brands, real yes or real no. Let me show you exactly how I built this in 24 hours. First hour, start their ads. I'm going to Meta ad library, search for Medicube and other Korean skincare brands. I'm looking for patterns. What hooks are they using? If you want glowing skin, or this one product changed everything, what angles work? Close-up of product, before and after skin shots. What CTAs? Shop now, or try it, risk-free, or limited stock. I screenshot 5 winning patterns. This took 30 minutes. Next 15 minutes, I need a face. Use Ideogram.ai prompt, realistic photo, and generate 3 options. I picked this one. She looks trustworthy, relatable, perfect for skincare. This is the face for all 20 videos. Consistency matters. Done. Next 3 hours, the factory. This is where it gets fast. Higgsfield UGC Factory, step by step. Step 1, template. I choose a selling template. This is optimized for product pitches. Step 2, image. I uploaded the model I just created from Ideogram. Step 3, action prompt. This tells her what to do in the video. I use a custom GPT I built to generate 20 different action prompts. Hold the product up to camera and smile. Apply product to face while talking. I paste each one. Step 4, audio text. This is the script she said. I use another GPTs to generate 20 different hooks. Each script is 10 to 15 seconds, short and punch. I will share the best GPT project in our free access. Check the pinned comment. Step 5, audio setting. Voice type soft and clear. Emotion, excited but authentic. Language, English. Accent, natural American. Step 6, background. I choose a realistic setting. Bathroom with natural lighting, bathroom vanity, clean white background. Hit generate. Each video takes about 3 minutes to render. I create 20 videos. This took about 3 hours total, including tweaks. Cost $80 in Higgsfield credit. Hour 6, voice changing. The voice form Higgsfield is good, but it sounds a little bit AI, a little too clean.
I use it right after my serum, so it absorbs way better. It kind of feels gentle and comfortable.
So I use ElevenLabs Voice Changer. I export the audio from the videos, upload it to ElevenLabs. I change the voice to a more natural female voice, slightly lower pitch, more breath, more human. Then I add a subtle background voice, light room ambient, maybe a faint echo. This makes it sound like it was recorded in a real bathroom and bedroom, not a studio. Listen to the difference.
I use it right after my serum, so it absorbs way better. It kind of feels gentle and comfortable.
Night and day, I do this all 20 videos, takes about 1 hour. Cost 20 in ElevenLabs credit. Total AI cost so far 100. Hour 7 to 9, time to find the targets. Clay workflow. Step 1, find the skincare brands. I scrapped Shopify stores. Filtered by skincare category. Revenue 1 million plus based in US. Step 2, enrich the data. Company name, founder or marketing director name, and email using Hunter and Clearbit. Step 3, export 1,000 leads. This took 2 hours. Cost $50 in Clay credits. Last hour, setup outreach. This runs automatically over the next 3 days. Free email sequences. Upload 1,000 leads from Clay. Create email sequence. This emails over 6 days. First, day 0. Second, bump, day 3. Third, breakup, day 6. And track everything. Opens, replies. Interested, calls booked. This took 15 minutes to set up. Cost $97 per month for instantly. Campaign launches automatically. Runs over 6 days. 24 hours total. Everything's built. Everything's running. Alright, here's where we make the decision. Full transparency, I just created this today. The real result, I will update them in the comments. But here's my predictable scenario. Conservative first, one person buys at $29.98 per month and cost $100 AI tools and $50 clay and $97 instantly, total $247. Profit $27.51 per month. That's one client. Now, what if I scale? Let's say I target 5,000 brands over 30 days. 5 clients at $3,000 per month. Revenue $15,000 per month recurring. So if this works, here's what I do. Pick 2 new skincare products per month. Build 20 UGC videos for each. Use those as case studies to pitch more brands. Target 5,000 brands per month. Hire editor to handle video tweaks. $500 per month. Project revenue $15,000 per month recurring. That's the bet. I will know in 7 days. Result in the comments. While you're watching this, someone just created their first AI UGC video. Someone just pitched their first skincare brand. Someone just landed their first $3,000 per month client. You can watch or start your own experiment. One of us will make money. Check the pinned comment for free access. Inside, you get script generator GPT, action prompt library with 50 plus variations, and email scripts. And subscribe if you want execution, not theory. Let's go.